guys know I'm painting cars, making cars great again, doing epoxy, all kinds of other random coating stuff. Today, we're building.
He's one of the best scientific minds we have today.
Marker Colbert, Speedokote Finish Network. Alright, so today I got a little something extra for you guys. Not something I normally do. Normally, you guys know I'm painting cars, making cars great again, doing epoxy, all kinds of other random coating stuff. Today, we're building it. I got me a nice, pretty expensive, but yet kind of worthless wood furnace that don't do a whole hell of a lot. But what also doesn't do a whole hell of a lot with any type of wood heating device is when your wood is wet. You got wet wood, it ain't good. You got wet wood, it ain't good, right, Brittany? Yeah, she laughed at that joke. So I do find, however, this furnace does work halfway decent. Now, mind you, this building is not insulated, okay? So I can't talk too much trash about the wood furnace. But what I do notice is when I have very, very dry wood, it does make a better impact. So today we are building a wood shed. All right, so tools we got the Vevor 6.6 gallon powerhouse workhorse. We have got the Banks Harbor Freight special framing nailer. Got a couple nails loaded up just to test it out. Shot a couple nails over there. Got, I believe, roughly 45 2x4s. We are doing 100% of the framing just to kind of cut down on costs. We're doing 100% of the framing with 2x4s. And then we got these like little fur strips, whatever, you know, 1x4s to kind of go around the outside of it. OSB for the floor and for the roof. And we got bricks, which is going to go below the whole substructure, whatever, so that the wood isn't basically just sitting on the ground getting wet, blah, blah, blah. Now, just in case we do have to cut everything, the guys over at Vevor, they did send us a brand new table saw. Brand new, haven't even used it. So just in case we do need to cut anything, we will have this as backup. I'm going to put more. What the fuck? Whoa, you're yanking the whole structure. Don't worry about that, I'll just cut those off. Okay. Well, I got one in. Look at her, she's got the hammer. Y'all want to see the quality of wood these days. Let me show y'all something. I don't even know what the point of leveling. Babe, what's the point of leveling wood if the wood itself ain't even level? Okay, so there's this corner. Flush here, not even flush at all there. Now let me take y'all to this side, same thing. Now this side, it's poking up right here, and it's not flush here. Sorry. We knew this wasn't going to be perfect from the beginning. We don't have a level. Apparently it wasn't needed anyways, because even if we had a level, we can't change the fact that this wood is... Right? Anyways, carry on.
1 hour later.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, just gotta wiggle a little bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you ready? You ready? Alright. One more. Good. Oh. 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 We got a roof. Oh. Hold on. Good thing this is 7/16. This is light.
Good thing.
Good thing.
Because if that's like the shit they use in Turks and Caicos,
Yeah. 7/16. OSB. Alright, so there you guys have it. How to build a woodshed. It's not 100% done. I still got to get some steel roofing for the top. I'm not just going to leave it, you know, whatever that is, OSB. I'm not just going to leave that for the roof. Some getting dropped off here in the next couple weeks. Guys going to bring some out to me and just throw it on top, put a couple screws in it, and then it'll be pretty much 100%. Eventually, I am going to paint the inside of it just to seal it off from the weather. This is like 96% complete. I did this all off of a image I found on Google, and I literally just looked at it, grabbed some wood, threw a couple nails in, looked at it again. I just kept using the visual image of the structure I saw online and just kind of replicated it, eyeballed a lot of it. Absolutely nothing is level, nothing is flat, nothing is perfect. I mean, you know, nothing is like perfect. But, you know, standing a couple feet back and for not even using a leveler at all or any type of fancy tools, just a cheap air compressor and a nail gun, I mean, and some cheap wood, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. To clarify for the construction experts out there, I don't do construction for a living. I'm not a construction expert. This was just a fun little project. You know, we threw it together in about 11 hours, 12 hours of work, just to keep the wood from getting wet. We got some more we got to throw in there. We'll let it dry over the summertime and have some nice dry wood for next winter. But anyways, with some imagination, some creativity, some cheap tools, anything's possible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. New videos every week.